So today is 2.4, 2.5 practice and extension. For this purpose, you're doing the extension activity. So for 2.4, that is what we solved earlier in this week, we started practicing with our US traditional. Here, you're going to solve 72 times 6. I want you to solve these on a piece of paper. You don't need to do them on a Google slide. You can just solve them on a slate or on a piece of paper. These are just for practice and more extension. So solve 72 times 6, and then write that down, write out your work. Then, using a calculator, solve 720 times 6, 72 times 60, 720 times 60, 7,200 times 6, and 72,000 times 600. So solve all those problems. This one you need to do on paper and pencil or on a slate. The rest of these you can do with a calculator. Then you'll have a submission box where you can type this in, your answer on the canvas, but you're going to be answering what problems or what patterns, do you see in the factors and the products. So you're going to be using your answers for 1 through 6 and looking for a pattern and what patterns you see in their factors and the products. Then same things, try it again, 67 times 4, and then for 9 through 13, use a calculator and see if the work you see in 8 through 13 match the pattern you saw in 1 through 6. Okay, again, here are those problems. I'll show this whole page so that you can pause it and you can see all of the work you need to do. Again, number 7, this will be a part of your submission for completion for Thursday's or 2.4 and 2.5 extensions activity. And then part 2 of the 2.4, 2.5 extension review is multiplying large numbers. And you're going to have this. I will have this as a Google slide activity for you to do and type in your work. We'll talk about it right now, though. So it says you have learned how to use US traditional multiplication to multiply a 1-digit number by a 2-digit number, a 3-digit number, and a 4-digit number. Think about the patterns you noticed, and so you should be able to use this activity to help you. Describe how you think you could use US traditional multiplication to multiply a 1-digit number by any size number. So anything, 4-digit, maybe 6-digit, 8-digit. So you'll want to type in your answer for that. And then for problems 2 through 5, you will have some word problems. And I want you to use US traditional multiplication on at least 2 of these problems below. And in the Google slide, you'll have a text box to put your answer, but you'll also have a text box to tell me what method did you use. And I'll want you to give a little bit of explanation. So what method did you use? Why did you use it? And what was your answer for 2, 3, 4, and 5? Check out your Canvas assignment for early finish your work.